The itinerary was very good. Would have liked a little more time at the railway market and a little less time at Amphawa, but overall a great experience, and the tour made it very easy. A good mix of tour and self-visit at each location. The guide was the only small letdown as he was not particularly engaging. He did offer to take nice photos though and did that well. Really enjoyed our tour to see the Maeklong Railway and Amphawa Floating Market. To be honest, I was a bit reluctant to book this one as I was expecting it would be a typical mediocre group tour experience where the tour guide is just going through the motions and is just trying to make it to the end of the day so they could go home. But I did not feel that at all here, and this was actually quite a fun and unique tour. Yes, these places do attract a ton of foreign, and sometimes pushy, tourists, cause everyone wants to see these famous attractions, but that's true of many places in Thailand, and I didn't think it was too terrible so long as you set your expectations accordingly. I thought the tour struck a good balance and distribution of time spent in a highly recommended. Naranya and our assigned driver are very accommodating and welcoming, very friendly. Worth the while. We should have booked earlier so we met our trip mates early on. Cheaper than other options checked. Must book. Thank you very much. Star emoji, star emoji, star emoji, star emoji, star emoji. Great experience. You can choose this package if you are in a small-scale group like us, 3 persons. Our tour guide, Nina, is superb. She is nice and friendly. She shares a lot of local cultural activities with us, especially at the temple site. We also have a chance to watch the fireflies swarming in the trees when having a boat. The trip is really worth it. Start from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Firefly watching boat ride was 2 hours, romantic face emoji. Hope we have more time at Rail Market than Amphawa Market. 3 hours there is too much. Our guide is very fun and lovely. Naranya was our tour guide. Very helpful and friendly guide. A lot to see, especially the train market. The train really goes super near you. And the Fireflies tour and temples tour was good too. Wat Bang Kung was the highlight of this activity. Nice to see the fireflies during the boat tour. Worth a try. For the tourist guide George, he is very nice and kind. Also, we need to thank you our driver. We got excellent service. An excellent day, nice vehicle, fantastic itinerary with an amazing guide who was helpful, knowledgeable and experienced, Edie. The guides is polite and speak good English. He also take care of us very well and remind us on keeping our valuables safe at all times. Guide was a little late due to personal accident but kindly apologize. Car was comfy. Driver professional. Met expectations. Prepare to get dirty if raining because temple requires you to go in barefooted. The tour guide was a hard-working and thoughtful Chinese Thai elder who took us to experience interesting little activities. There were no bad habits or sales pitches, so we were able to experience the itinerary at ease. We could see the sparkling fireflies at night in Amphawa. The tour guide didn't speak Chinese or English and had a bit of an accent, but he was very enthusiastic and helped us take photos. The service was very good, and the overall itinerary was arranged very smoothly. The restaurants he took us to eat were all delicious and cheap, very practical, and the fireflies were amazing. We caught the time very well and watched the